Hello everyone, it's Joe from OnePageZen.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly and effortlessly transfer your existing WordPress website to a new hosting provider. So in this example, I'm going to be transferring my existing WordPress website at OnePageZen.org to my brand new WordPress website at OnePageZen.com. So the first step in this tutorial is to head on over to your existing WordPress website and go to your dashboard. Then go to your plugins and go to Add New. And the plugin we're going to be using is called All-in-One WordPress Migration. So once you found that plugin, click on Install Now. And then click on Activate. Now in the left sidebar column, scroll over the plugin and go to the Export link. All right, now we're going to add a couple conditions here. So we're going to enter our existing WordPress URL in the find field. So onepagezen.org. And we need to replace that with onepagezen.com because this is the destination for the WordPress website. So once you've done that, click on the Export To link and then click on File. All right, then click the Download button. All right, now while our file is downloading, what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to the new host where we're transferring our website to. So I'm going over to my new WordPress website at onepagezen.com. I'm going to go to my dashboard and to Plugins and Add New. And I'm going to install the same plugin. So I'm going to click Install Now and Activate. All right, now in the left sidebar column, I'm going to go to Import. All right, so once the file has finished downloading, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Import From link here, and we're going to choose File, and then locate the file that you just downloaded. So locate this file, and click on Open, and now it's going to be importing the website. Now this typically takes a couple of minutes. Now I should also mention that if your website file is over 512 megabytes, you will have to make an adjustment to one of the plugin files in order to increase the allowed upload file size. So I will show you how to do that in a different tutorial. If you're interested, the link to that tutorial is in the description to this video. All right, so once you see this import process message pop up, just click on the Proceed button. All right, so our data has been imported successfully, and we're good to go. So now that you've imported your new website, there is a chance that you might have to log in to your site again. And the password that you're going to use is the existing password from your old website. So remember that. If you are prompted to log in again, you have to use the password from your old website. So if you click on your home page, you will see that your website was imported successfully. And the next thing you have to do, or the last thing you have to do, is go to your settings and just look over your permalinks. So let's see, let's go to our permalinks here and make sure that post name is selected. This is generally considered the best practice for your website's SEO. So click on Save Changes. And there you go. You've successfully imported a WordPress website to your new hosting provider. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the other cloud computing tutorials available at onepagezen.com. Thanks a lot for watching.